Do you want to control how drivers reach you on Uber? In this video, I will show you how to manage your contact preferences on Uber step by step so you can stay safe and receive calls or messages the way you want. Setting your contact preferences helps protect your privacy and ensure smooth communication with drivers without sharing unnecessary personal information. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Uber app. In this first page, you will go to this sign of profile or account. Here you will tap on account. In this window, you will find settings, so you will tap on settings. Then here in this page you will find something called communication. As you see here, choose your preferred contact methods and manage your notification settings. And here in this page, as you see, you will find contact preferences. Choose how you want drivers to reach you, so you can choose whether you want to reach you by chat, call, or both call or chat, like this. It's recommended, and then we click on save changes here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.